Have you ever noticed that your cat starts acting strangely after doing something naughty? For example, knocking your favorite mug off the shelf, scratching you during playtime, or suddenly attacking your feet. Maybe they start rubbing against you, slowly blinking, or bringing you their toy. Is it just a coincidence, or are they really trying to apologize? Today, we'll explore whether cats can feel guilt and how they show remorse. If you've always thought that cats are indifferent to your emotions, get ready to be surprised. Unlike dogs, who have evolved to apologize to the pack leader, cats are solitary hunters. They don't have an innate sense of guilt the way we understand it. However, living with humans, cats have learned to react to changes in their owner's mood and even attempt to restore peace after a conflict. Since cats can't say sorry with words, they use body language, behavior, and even specific sounds to show their affection and attempt to make amends. Let's look at the main ways cats try to apologize. 1. Rubbing against you. This is one of the most common ways of making peace. A cat may come up to you and start rubbing against your legs, hands, or even your face. By doing this, they transfer their pheromones to you, signaling that they see you as part of their social group. In the feline world, this is a sign of trust and affection. 2. Slow blinking, cat kisses. If your cat looks at you and slowly blinks, this can be interpreted as the feline version of a smile. It's a sign that your pet is relaxed and doesn't see you as a threat. If your cat slowly blinks at you after a conflict, it means they want to restore a good relationship. Try responding with a slow blink. It helps strengthen the bond. Moonru, bringing you gifts. Some cats express affection by bringing their owners toys, food, or even did something less pleasant like a dead mouse. This is not just a hunting instinct, it's a way to show care and make up with you. They share what they consider valuable. 4. Affectionate behavior after mischief. A cat that has just caused you trouble may suddenly become extra affectionate, rubbing against you, jumping onto your lap, or purring. This can be seen as an attempt to restore a friendly relationship. 5. Pretend grooming. If a cat has just done something bad and then sits down and starts grooming itself, it may be their way of dealing with awkwardness. This behavior is called displacement activity. The cat acts as if nothing happened to avoid conflict. Based on all of this, cats do have their own unique ways of apologizing. While it's not guilt in the human sense, their behavior after a conflict is clearly aimed at reconnecting with you. If you learn to understand your cat's body language and respond appropriately, your bond will become even stronger. Don't scold your cat for their attempts to make amends. Instead, reciprocate with affection, a calm tone, or slow blinking. Although cats don't apologize like dogs or humans, they have their own ways of restoring harmony after a conflict. They may rub against you, blink slowly, bring gifts, become extra affectionate, or simply act as if nothing happened. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We have lots of interesting topics about cats and their behavior. How does your cat say sorry? Share your stories in the comments. We'd love to read them.